Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, LinkedIn, hotel management, paramedical, women's health, and many other topics that we have covered on our channel are now part of our online personal consultation on our website. Welcome to Katosh Tubes. I'm your host Paras, and in today's video I will take you through how you can avail personal consultation on all the topics that we cover on our video with us. But before I start the video, if you are new here, please remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for weekly notification. And if you haven't watched our playlist, do watch them on our channel. So now let's start with the video right away. So welcome to the official website of KatoshTubes.com. This is our official website, which is totally designed by us. So you can see the homepage here. It has a lot of options, the trending post, the latest post, and of course you can click on this subscribe button to receive our newsletter. Now let me take you through the main menu, which is this one here. So our website will contain all the topics that we talk about on our YouTube channel in a post on an article format. So you can always come back time to time and keep on checking on our website whatever topics that you are interested in. So here I am going to take you through the something called as consultation, this one here. So this is our latest offerings in which we are offering our subscribers and our viewers of free of cost consultation. So you can see there are three types of consultation at the moment, which is women's health, marketplace, and general consultation. So if I click on women's health, so all the queries which you will enter on this particular consultation will be answered by my wife, which is Visha. And as you can see here, it's free as of now. All you need to do is just fill this consultation form. Once you fill it with your correct email ID, so make sure to enter your correct email ID to receive a response. Country, enter your query, whatever your question is, and just click the submit button. So once you click the submit button, we will receive your query and we will try to answer it within 24 hours. Ideally, we answer it within 1 hour, within 3 to 4 hours, but give us a maximum time of up to 24 hours. We will definitely get back to you if we have a solution for it, and definitely we would love to assist you. So this is for the women's part. Now coming back to the consultation part, the second is your marketplace, which is about Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, all this type of marketplace that I have made a videos on. You can again fill the form. So all you need to do is to fill the form of the respective consultation and we will be there at your service. That's how simple it is. Just fill the name, fill your query, additional details, and click on submit button. It also have a Flipkart and Amazon calculator which I have designed, so you can always check that out. And the third one is again the most important part, which is general consultation. So if you click on this general consultation, it will cover all the remaining topics that we have covered on our videos, like LinkedIn, Alibaba, you have hotel management, career related, medicines, NCHMJE, tourism, podcast, and everything else that we have on our YouTube channel. You can definitely, the format is same. Again, here you have to fill the forms. So all these forms are different types. If you want to take particular consultation, to make sure to fill that particular form. Like if you want to take a woman's consultation, do not fill the general form. It won't work that way, so it's better to fill the particular consultation form related to that particular topic or subject. If you're confused, if you don't know which consultation form to fill, it's better to go for this general one and fill it up. It's for every other type of topics apart from women's and marketplace. So consultation form is must. You have to fill it up for us to know your problem and make sure to have a correct email ID in place. So if I just put let's say test and test here, let me fill it up. Let's say my email ID is this, and if I country, let's say India, and subject, this is a topic of test. Now details, let me fill the details. These are my details. I need help with, and just I click the submit button. So now it is updating, and now it will throw a message. The message will be there on the screen, and it will tell you that the query is successfully submitted. You can see here your form was submitted successfully. So when this you see this particular information on your desktop or the mobile that you are using, the device you are using, you can go and check your email. If you have received a message from us, an auto-generated response, that means we have received your particular query in which you need help. So let me open my mail and check it out. So you can clearly see here that the query that I have submitted, I have received an email from Katosh Tubes, which is my website, that welcome on board. This is to inform you that we have successfully received your request for general consultation. So this means your query is successfully submitted if you receive this email. Similarly, you will receive the email for the women's part and for the marketplace part, the other two remaining consultation forms. And if you receive that, that means we have received your application or your query, and we are there to respond to you at the earliest. So why wait more? Just log into katoshtube.com, try it out yourself, and let us assist you better. So that's about it. Feel free to ask your question, and if you have any queries, do comment below in the comment section. I'll see you in the new video next week. Till then, take care and bye bye.